I'm Pavan. I'm from Bangalore, India, and right now I'm pursuing my master's in Boston, Massachusetts, in Northeastern University. And my majors is engineering management. We didn't really have an option to get a credit card in the US because we don't have an SSN. There are very few credit card lenders in the United States which provide a credit card without an SSN, and the credit limit is also very less. And moreover, it took a very long time for other friends of mine to get their credit cards from their other companies. And I was able to use Zolve on the first day I entered the United States. It was very helpful because it's very important to use your credit cards over here because it builds your credit history, and with better credit history, you get more credit limit, and also it's helpful in case you want to get a loan in the future. So from day one in the United States, I've been using the Zolve credit card, and I didn't have to look at my debit cards. Cashback offers. So there's 1% cashback on all such transactions, and there's 5% cashback on selected brands. So you get to choose the brands you want to transact with. So for every quarter, you get a choice of five brands, and with respect to each category, let's say transportation, groceries, shopping, restaurants, etc. So you get to pick your own brand where you would want to have the cashback. So that's great. And apart from that, it's easier to keep a tab on your expenses because Zolve has an insights section where you can see where you're spending with the spending analytics. So you won't be overspending and you'll know how to budget yourself. And it's the first time you're getting a credit card in the United States, and you shouldn't go overboard and be overspending. So it helps you keep track of your expenses. Every referral, I've got $50, and my friends have also got $50. And the funny part is, with the referrals, I've also made new friends over here. So trying introducing them to Zolve, making them try the app. That way, I was able to connect with them and build a good network over here in the United States. So let's say sometimes your parents aren't able to remit money to your account over here due to some issues. So and there's an immediate offer to buy some kind of laptop. There's some 50% off or something, and you can easily purchase it with the credit card. You don't have to pay any interest. You can just pay it over 15 months with the minimum due amount, which is I think 10%. And yeah, that's about it. So you can grab opportunities instead of waiting for money to be there in your account. And moreover, when you're paying back the money every month, you're building your credit score. So that's a good way to improve your credit score as well. Solve app is very easy to use. It's a great user interface and user experience. It's a very simple app with all the insights shown right in your dashboard. And you can see your credit limit, you can see your transactions, your recent transactions, your transactions which are on hold. And you can also see your debit card transactions as well, which is just a swipe away. So, and you can also check where you're spending the most because Zoll provides the spending analytics option. So you can keep track of your budget, and when compared to other apps, credit card apps, I've seen that it's much more user friendly and it has better visualizations so that you're able to understand it much better. And all the options in the app are easily accessible and it's easily readily available for your use. So I think it's a great app.